Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the makeup of Mani. Today I wanted to film how I get my hair the way I do now that I shaved it all off. Well, kinda. Well, I cut it all off. You know what I'm trying to say. Like, how do I get this little shindig going right here? My curls popping, nice and defined. You know what I'm saying? Well, people have been asking me a lot, like, how do you style your hair now that you cut it all off? So this is basically the style I do every time I go out, because there's really nothing for me to do. Like, sis, what I'm gonna do, put in a ponytail? Like, I got a ponytail holder on, but for what? Let it hair, sis, let it hair. So yeah, this is how I get my hair. Show y'all in the back. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I get this style, which is super easy, super quick, like literally can do it right before you leave the house, please stay tuned. I know I look crazy, but this is my hair freshly washed. Hopefully you guys can see it. So basically it's like dripping wet and it's dripping down my neck. So I take like a raggedy old t-shirt and I pat my hair dry instead of like just whoosh, whoosh. I just pat it just to get that dripping water off my head. And like I just switch it around like just like that, just to get the excess water off my head. You guys can see the back. But yeah, and after I do that, I throw that somewhere, and then I use my leave-in conditioner. It's by the brand Renpure. So yeah, I'll leave everything that I use down below so you guys can see it in the details bar. So I squirt this into my hands a lot because I'm black and we be needing a lot of product because our hair is so coarse. But I take it.
Oh, like I'm not trying to film. Anyway,
I take the leave-in conditioner, switch it around in my hands, and I just go in circular motions in my head to keep the definedness of my curls. And if you have short hair like this, then you probably already know which direction your curls goes in. But just for people who aren't sure what I'm talking about, you have to find the direction that your curls go in to keep them defined. The next thing I do is moisturize my scalp. And I just do this little jammy. Just get it all up in there. Okay, so next I take some of this SheaMoisture coconut and hibiscus curl and style milk. This just keeps the frizz down, so like my curls will be even more defined. I take a little, like this much, and I go back and do that circular motion. Okay, so the last step that I do after I put all the leave-in conditioners, styling creams, oils, etc., I just get into some gel. Eco Styler's Argan Oil. It doesn't flake up on me. That's probably why I use it the most. Like, this is what's going to give you that those little tiny balls, I guess, like in your head. It's going to be super defined. And then I also do my edges with this as well. So yeah. With my guys, I sacrifice, 'cause I knew you could not sleep without it. Now that I have all that in my head, looks good, I'm going to start on my edges.
Oh, girl, your face is saying why. Till tonight, should've been more smart about it. Should've cherished me. Listening to friends. Now it's the end. Then again, no reckoning without it. Damn, I love you. Oh my girl, you see, but you're so skinny, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to call. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Situations will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebrations with
Okay, so while my hair is in this state, my edges are finished or whatever, I wait for it to dry while I do my makeup. So I will get right back to you guys to close out this video after my makeup is done. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. As you can see, parts of my hair are still drying, but remember how white it was before? Basically it evaporates, and that's what I was trying to tell you. Don't worry about the whiteness from the product and the buildup with the gel, because it goes away. As you can see, like, my curls are super defined, super curly. Show you the sides. Like, it's super cute. Okay, so just so you know, it does go away. You will be slaying, but it just has to dry completely. If you're in a rush, I suggest using a blow dryer real quick. You know, hold the cool setting while you're blow drying your hair. But other than that, I just let it air dry, and this is how it comes out. If you like this eye look that I did, or my makeup in general, and you want to see a tutorial on that, let me know down below in the comment section. Like I told you guys, all the products that I use for this video will be in the description box, which is right below this video. So if you just scroll down, you can see all the products I use and how much they cost. And yes, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this. Subscribe if you're new to my channel so you don't miss another video. Thumbs up this video if you did enjoy it, and see you guys next time.